Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try your request again problem in Google Gemini application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Google Gemini application. Go to Apps Info or I button. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Go back, open Play Store, click on search Google Gemini app, update your Google Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Google Gemini app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini. Sorry, something went wrong. Try again problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.